Well, I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew a hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, darling, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I've walked these floors. You know I used to live alone before I knew you. Well, I've seen your flag on the marble arch. Love is not a victory march. It's a code and it's a broken hallelujah. It was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love is how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. Well, it's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen the light. It's a code and it's a broken